How to make 3D action figure photos that is trending right now on social media. As you can see here, this is the photo. So guys, to make this, I'm going to show you in this video, so you have to watch the video till the end. So you can see here it's looking so awesome, and to make this I'm going to show you how you can do that. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is that you have to go to Play Store on your device and then search for Google Gemini. Okay, after searching for Google Gemini, just install this app. So it has been installed. Now click on open option and then it will open the Gemini. Now here what you need to do is that, let me just show you, just open it, and here on the Ask Gemini option, or you can see the image option, just you need to click on image, and then here, sorry, click on plus icon and then click on gallery. It's very pretty simple. Just select a good picture, clear picture, okay, for example this picture, and then here you have to paste some text here. So just paste the text. You'll get this text on the comment section, and then you just need to send this, okay, like this, and then you just need to hold on for some time. You just need to hold on for some time.